Hymer MasterLine, T780, B-Class, 2021. From its chassis to panoramic roof, the Hymer BMLT is a true original. Its sporty and exclusive appearance, which is characterized by the original Mercedes-Benz Sprinter cab, makes the vehicle stand out. The flat, aerodynamic T-hood makes the vehicle an agile and comfortable drive and has a positive impact on fuel consumption. Completing the motorhome's sleek exterior is the 3D GRP rear, including integrated rear light molding and self-supporting garage casing with a sporty diffuser look, which is typical of the MasterLine. Standard chassis, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 414 CDI, front-wheel drive, standard engine, 2.2-liter. Overall length, 789 centimeters. Body width, 225 centimeters. Overall height, 296 centimeters. Headroom in living area, 198 centimeters. Permitted number of persons, 5. Gas supply, 11 kilograms. Fresh water supply, 180 liter. Water supply, 20 liter. Wastewater tank, 150 liter. 3 12-volt sockets. 6 230-volt sockets. 6 USB sockets. Basis, low-frame chassis with through-loading feature. 6-speed transmission. 22-liter AdBlue tank. 92-liter fuel tank. Automatic headlight control. Electrically adjustable and heated exterior mirrors. Mercedes-Benz noise reduction, engine compartment insulation and underbody paneling. Comfort suspension chassis. Super lightweight chassis. Reinforced alternator and co. Charging booster. 16 inches original full-wheel cover. Electric cab windows and central locking for cab. Driver and passenger airbag. Cup holder driver and passenger seat. Keyless start, start-stop button for comfortable engine start. ABS, anti-lock brake system. ASR, anti-slip control. EBV, electric brake force distribution, and ESP, electric stability program. Active brake assist. Crosswind assist. Warm air auxiliary heating, electric. Daytime running light integrated in headlights. Kitchen, multiple pantry. Extra wide, free distinguishable kitchen drawers. Servo soft close in the kitchen. Structure wall paneling also serving as splash guard. 153-liter jumbo fridge. Extra deep sink with tight-fitting chopping board and high water tap. Large cooker with glass cover and front panel operation. Chopping board. Living and bedroom. Function integration into furniture elements. Modern linear interior design. Optimal space and generous sense of space. Sleeping comfort system with cups ladder bed frame and multi-zone cold foam mattress for rear bed. Ambient lighting. Lighting dimmable via push button. Complete LED interior lighting.